Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. I'm going to be doing my own hair today. It's going to be a crochet hairstyle. I'm going to do 2 braids up at the front, and then the back is going to be basically all crochet, trendy tresses of course. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. I already have my hair braided. I'm going to show y'all how I have it braided, and then I'm going to show y'all the braids. So yeah, let's just get started. We are using Trendy Tresses Bountiful Curls in 24 inches in the color 1B/33. It matches my hair so perfectly. I always get this color if I am showing my hair, but if I'm just, you know, putting all my hair braided up, then I don't get any color. Now, you guys have seen me do crochet a million times, but of course, you're just gonna take the middle of the crochet hair, use the crochet needle. You're gonna put both strands through and just pull. Sometimes I use just one strand and pull it through, but for these, I literally just put both strands and just pulled. Depending on which crochet hair you have or what kind of crochet hair you have will really depend on, you know, the way you can install the crochet. Now, for some crochet hairstyles, I have to split the one piece into like 2 to 3 pieces, but the pieces that were already separated are just the pieces that I used to do this style. I did not have to separate, you know, the curls really or manipulate them. For some of them I did, just so they weren't, you know, such a thick, you know, piece that I was using. But for most of them, I didn't split them up. I just used the pieces as they already were from the pack to outside the pack. So So the back is pretty much done. Now what we're gonna do is basically tease the roots. We're gonna tease the root just so we can camouflage those knots that we made when we went ahead and installed the crochet hair. So after I tease it, this is the back. These are the results, fluffy and beautiful. I used outre hair for the hair in the front. I did have to use some braiding hair. Now if your hair is long, and it's thick, then you don't have to do this and add hair, but I personally wanted to add hair just to make the 2 braids thick, like very, very thick. Now, when you're doing feed-in braids, you want to make sure that you're saturating the section in gel or whatever hair product you would like to use. I personally use locked-in gel for this hairstyle, but you can also use Shine and Jam or anything else to your liking that you usually do to slick down your hair. I went ahead and put it all over that section and then left some of my little hairs out just so I can style them afterwards, and put the gel right behind it. And then after I've combed that, you know, thoroughly through and everything is detangled and nice, I'm gonna go ahead and start braiding. I'm gonna take a small piece up at the front and I'm going to separate it into like 3 little pieces, and you guys will see as I braid, I am picking up hair on the sides. So I'm picking up hair on each side as I go. I'm literally just picking up a piece at a time and just continuing to braid. I know this is pretty hard to see. It's so hard to show people like how to cornrow on your own hair. But yeah, this is basically it. I just split it up into 3 and I start picking up as I go. I've seen other people say they've done twist hairstyles like up at the front if they don't know how to braid, and just you can twist it all the way down. That also can be an option if you are not so, you know, knowledgeable on how to feed in braids. Here is a close-up of how I did the feed-in braid. So basically take a small piece and put it into 3. I'm braiding a little bit before I start picking up hair. Then as I go, my pointer finger is just picking up hair from each side. So my right hand is picking up hair every time it goes up under. My left hand pointer finger is picking up hair every time it goes under so that I can grip more hair as I go down and it can start turning into like a corn roll. Then as my pointer finger is still out, I just slip a piece of hair underneath and I just keep going. I hope this explains it. But yeah, this is basically all I do when I cornrow my hair. And sometimes it doesn't come out as sleek as it's supposed to. Like that piece you can see right there is kind of sticking out. You can always use a comb when you're finished to just try to brush it back and just like stick it in. But yeah, this is such a simple style. This only took me like an hour to do. I know there's a whole bunch of crochet hairstyles, but I was so excited to try this one because I knew it was going to be different than what I normally do. Make sure down in the comments y'all let me know what y'all think about this style. I've seen a lot of people do it, but I feel like a long time ago. I haven't seen a lot of people do this hairstyle like recently, but let me know if you guys have tried it or what you think of this hairstyle. By the way, if you're looking for crochet hair that is like manageable, this curl pattern in particular is probably the most manageable. No, I'm not gonna lie, I love that perm rod set one I did last time. That's actually my favorite. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. The Serene curls from Trendy Tresses is my favorite, but the Bountiful curls always gives that like elegant long luster look. So these are my two favorites, but my top favorite is the Serene curls, but the Bountiful curls are really good as well if you're looking for like a longer look. Yeah. And right here is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on what you think about this hairstyle. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, faves.